Hey everyone, I was just cleaning my Keurig today and thought you guys would be interested in checking it out. I've had it for 2 years. It's super simple to use, makes the coffee the same every time. On the back here, this is a 1.6 liter removable tank. Very simple. We have 6, 8, and 10 ounce cups. We have this removable tray, drip tray for cleaning, or if you have a travel mug that's 7 inches or less, fits in there. And I'm just going to show you how easy this is. Turn it on. If you need water, this light will turn blue, telling you need to add water. Simply open it up, pop your favorite coffee in there, place your mug, 6, 8, 10, let's go for 10. It takes 1 minute to make your coffee. And like I said, it's the same every time you make it, which is the best. It's compact enough to sit under any cabinets on your counter. It finishes making the cup. It sucks some more water into the internal tank. It starts heating it up. Take your pot out. Has a single punch in the top, single punch in the bottom. You recycled that. Close your lid after you put another pot in and ready to make another cup. Now let's say you forget to turn it off. Well, after 2 hours of not being used, it automatically shuts off. So you don't have to worry about after you made your coffee in the morning, oh my God, did I leave the Keurig on? It'll shut off automatically. Okay, hope you guys like it. Check it out. Have a great day.